Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep Sandhu and I'm here to discuss about the unethical issues associated with various international businesses. Business ethics generally examines the ethical, morals or principles and ethical situations that occurred in various international businesses. In most countries, various companies perform unethical activities to achieve their organizational goals as well as to maintain their positions in the industry. So here I would like to talk about the Walmart, which is an American multinational corporation and having more than 11,000 stores in 27 countries. In the recent news, it was heard that Walmart is performing various unethical activities in order to maintain their position that has negatively affected its customers as well as its workers. Firstly, Walmart is exploiting its employees as it is paying very low wages to them. Moreover, the workers are extremely badly treated by the Walmart managers. Moreover, recent news channels revealed that Walmart is not even paying sufficient benefit as well as the legal maternity leave to its female employers. Moreover, the Walmart is mainly focusing on achieving the lot of money annually by forcing their employees to stay on the job for more than 18 hours with no overtime. Hence, this shows that the main aim of the Walmart is to maintain its position in the industry. Secondly, Walmart is also playing with the health of its customers as the food products that they sell are not organic and are generally contaminated with the bacteria such as E. coli that may affect the health of its customers. Moreover, the toys that they sell at their stores are made up of low quality products and are coated with the lead that may affect the health of the children. Therefore, Walmart is just trying to maintain its image by saying that they are selling the high quality products at the low rates, but in reality, they are selling the low quality products. Hence, the Walmart is just maintaining its position in the market as well as they are just caring about its organizational goals in spite of the customer's health. Overall, Walmart is performing various unethical activities that may harm its image in the retail corporate world. Therefore, Walmart should make certain changes in its policies so that it can make its customers as well as its employees happy. Moreover, in the international businesses, companies should keep in mind that unethical behavior may bring a series of immediate success, but on a long run, this may negatively affect the organization to a greater extent.